Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make beetroot pickle without vinegar. We'll explore the simple, natural fermentation process that creates a delicious, tangy preserve. You'll learn to select the best ingredients and understand the basic steps to achieve a vibrant, healthy pickle. Get ready to transform fresh beetroots into a delightful, probiotic-rich snack. To begin, gather about 2 pounds of fresh, firm beetroots. You'll also need non-chlorinated water, which is crucial for successful fermentation, and a good quality non-iodized salt. For extra flavor, you might want to include spices such as dill seeds, mustard seeds, or even a few cloves of garlic. These simple ingredients are all you need. First, wash and slice your beetroots into your desired shape. Next, prepare your brine by dissolving 2 tablespoons of salt in 1 quart of non-chlorinated water. Pack the beetroot slices into a clean jar, adding any chosen spices. Pour the brine over the beetroots, ensuring they are fully submerged. Ferment at room temperature, ideally between 65 and 75 degrees Fahrenheit, for 5 to 7 days. Once your beetroot pickle has reached your desired tanginess, it's time for storage. Transfer the fermented beetroots and brine into clean, airtight jars. Move these jars to the refrigerator, which will significantly slow down the fermentation process. Your delicious, homemade beetroot pickle can be enjoyed for several weeks, adding a vibrant, tangy kick to your meals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.